Lecture of topic leadership. Leadership is the one of the management function. In this function is key role in the management. Define what is leadership. Who leads a given group or team of peoples is called leader. Who is leader? Leader is who lead a given group or team of peoples is called a leader. Leader is the any person you deal some group of peoples. You will also deal some number of peoples. I am also lead some group of people. You are also leader. I am also leader. Every leader also some characters also required. Good leader. That all are as follows. Qualities or characteristics of good leaders. Some qualities, characters, good leader as follows. To be a good leader, one must be a follower. Intelligence, sound educational and comprehensive background. Judgment and ability to make a prompt decisions. Initiative and creative thinking. Sense of responsibility. Ability to communicate effectively. Physical energy, potency. Thus, all are characteristics or qualities of good leader. One by one, now explain. First one is every leader. To be a good leader, one must be a follower. A very good leader, first you do the follower other leaders. That is one of the character. Every person must you work the other leaders. Other leader follower. That time also more qualities you learn the other leaders. That is of the feature. Every person must the one follower other leaders. Next one is intelligence. Every leader have intelligence. Every leader also so many decisions taking and commanding our followers, dominate our followers must require the more knowledge, different fields. So must require the intelligence of every good leader. Not knowledge, not taking the good decisions. No, commanding our followers or our team members. Next one is sound educational and comprehensive background. This is one of the quality. Every leader have a educational knowledge. Leader also so many applications filled, complaints also submit. That time also require the educational knowledge. In drafting the letters, complaints, must need the education knowledge. No education knowledge, leader that time also depend the others. Some important documents, important complaints, some maintain the secrecy. Not educated leaders, that's no maintain the secrets. So compulsory have educational knowledge also need. Good leader, it is one of the quality. Judgment and ability to make prompt decisions. Any leader taking the decisions promptly, correctly, not favorism, partiality. You taking the promptly good decisions. That is one of the good leader. Not take the promptly decisions or fraudulent decisions. Not followers. You follow the leaders. Some doubts in the character quality of the leader. So every leader promptly taking the decisions. This is one of the quality. Initiative and creative thinking. Good leader have initiative and creative thinking. Every leader, you new technology, new decisions, new works, new knowledge, you try have creating thinking. It is a good leader quality. Inspire our followers. Initiate, you encourage. Creative knowledge you developed. That is one of the character. Sense of responsibility. Every leader have sense of responsibility. Our works, our duties, responsible or accountability you maintain. Irresponsible, irraccountability, that is not a good leader quality. Every leader, you response, accountability. Our subordinates works, our team members activities. Next one is ability to communicate effectively. Every leader have communication knowledge. Any information you communicate our followers or others promptly. More require the communication knowledge. Communication means any information send one person to other person, one place to other place. That communication is very important. Every activity you completed in time. Intimate the in time concerned person. Not in time send the message, communicate concerned persons, not do the works in time. Every leader have a more need communicate knowledge. Physical energy potency. Have a leader physically or mentally or strong. That use of the sometime taking the good decisions, physically, mentally healthy. That persons also taking good decisions in time. These all are characteristics, qualities of the good leader. First one is to be a good leader, one must be a follower. Next one is intelligence. Next one, sound educational and comprehensive background. Next one, judgment and ability to make prompt decisions. Next one, these all are characteristics of the good leader. Next, the leadership styles. Leadership styles also some important styles, divided the 3 categories. First one is autocratic leadership. Second one is democratic leadership. Next one is pre-Rein leadership. These all are styles of leadership. First one is autocratic leadership. Second one is democratic leadership. Third one is pre-Rein leadership. One by one, clearly explain now. Autocratic leadership. What is autocratic leadership? It is one type of the leadership style. In this leadership, leader is the high power, total authority. Have leader. No involvement the other persons, other or team members or followers. Any taking decisions own. No take the suggestions, guidelines to the our followers. It is a autocratic leadership. No depend the our followers. This type of leader, you taking the decisions, give the orders, our followers, our team members, no consult others, no take the advices, suggestions, our followers, our team members. Total responsibility, power, own, not involve the others. It is a autocratic leadership. Next one is democratic leadership. It is one type of the leadership style. In this leadership, leader to take the decisions, allotted the works, not own. Any decision taking before consult our followers or team members, give the suggestions, guidelines. More number of opinions considered, taking the decisions. It is a democratic leadership. It is not take the own decisions. Any decision taking before consult our subordinates, our followers, our team members. There, give the advices, suggestions before taking the decisions. It is a democratic leadership. Next one is free-rein leadership. It is a one type of leadership. In this leader, authority is the nominally, not full authority. This type of leaders, not taking the own decisions. Total freedom, our followers, our team members. No taking the own decision. Any decision taking depend on our followers, our team members. Team members' opinion is the leader opinion. It is a free-rein leadership. This type of leadership, leader is the nominal powers. All powers our followers. These all are types of leadership styles. First one is autocratic leadership. Second one is democratic leadership. Third one is free-in leadership. This topic is over. Thank you.